Welcome to our guide on template literals in ES6+. So, what are template literals? In simple terms, they are a way to format strings in JavaScript. But why do we need them? Well, let's take a look at an example. So, why use template literals? They provide a cleaner and more readable way to format strings. Let's see an example. Now that we've seen why template literals are useful, let's take a look at their basic syntax. We can use template literals with strings, numbers, and even arrays. We can also use expressions inside template literals. This means we can do calculations, compare values, and even create conditional statements. Another type of template literal is the type template literal. This allows us to use our function to process our template literal. When working with template literals, there are a few best practices we should keep in mind. We can use them to format strings, but we should avoid using them to create complex logic or conditional statements. When working with template literals, there are a few common mistakes we should avoid. We can get confused about how to use them or forget the basic syntax. In this video, we've covered the basics of template literals. We've seen why they're useful and how to use them. Now that we've covered the basics of template literals, it's time to practice. We can use them in our code to format strings and make our code more readable. And that's it for this video on template literals. We've covered the basics, best practices, and common mistakes. Thanks for watching.